have reached here at ground zero. Namaskar and welcome to Borderline Peace, this exclusive ground report from some of the most vulnerable and sensitive border outposts along Indo-Pak border in Jammu. Well, just 500 meters away from Pakistan posts, these border outposts have recently witnessed massive ceasefire violations and unprovoked firing from across the border. Well, this report exposes Pakistan's constant efforts to disturb peace at the border, unprovoked firing, infiltration bids and constant ceasefire violations. Borderline Peace asks this question: for how long will Pakistan remain in the constant denial mode?
ये वहाँ फायरिंग आई उधर से फायरिंग के दौरान बाद में हमने उनकी पोस्ट पे अशरफ पे हम तकरीबन 7:30 बजे तो उसको जो अशरफ पोस्ट है उसके ऊपर हमने फायर किया है टावर के ऊपर तो इतना हुआ भी जैसे वो बंदा गिर गया नीचे.
The ceasefire violence in Jammu along Indo-Pak border, the international boundary. And we are just 600 meters away from that Pakistan's Ashraf border outpost. On 5th of August at around 3:55 p.m., Head Constable Ram fell prey to a sniper shot which came from the same Ashraf border outpost of Pakistan, which you can see behind him.
This mound which is visible in front, this is the actual duty mound where Head Constable Ram,
which happens to be just 800 meters away from this spot where I'm standing at Narayanpur border outpost. And also we are 800 meters away from Pakistan's Hakimpur village, and that happens to be the mound. On 5th of August, Head Constable Ram Nivas Meena was on duty with Constable Shinde. Let's talk to Constable Shinde and get to know more about on the day that sniper attack took place. Shinde ji, अब आप ये बताइए उस दिन क्या कुछ हुआ था?
तो हमने 22 ड्यूटी में थे मैडम, और राम निवास मीना जी दैनी साइड ड्यूटी में थे. उसके बाद दैनी साइड से ज़्यादा जंगल झाड़ी होने से उसको बांध दे उधर पाकिस्तान साइड, उसको उधर से बुलेट लगा, उनको बुलेट लगे इंजरी हो गया, उसको गिर पड़े. वो मेरा नाम लेते हुए सिंधे में गोल लगे.
13th of August 2013 at around 7:45 a.m. in the morning, in response to the unprovoked firing from across the border from Pakistan's Ashraf post, which is 600 meters from this viewpoint at Narayanpur border outpost, Indian BSF Jawans retaliated with full force, and that firing continued for around 7 minutes.
on 13th August this year, early morning, around 7:45 o'clock, they started unprovoked firing on our duty mounts, and our boys also effectively retaliated.
Fired on some of our villages in my area also last year, and this it was in Pindi area and somewhere in behind the Chamlial we found this last year when firing was going on in Narayanpur. This is a tail unit of a bomb. It is high explosive bomb, and you see here there is written POF. It means that it is from Pakistan Ordnance Factory.
Border outpost along the international border. On 17th August 2013, there was heavy cross-border small arms firing on Indian posts along IB in Abdullah, in sub-sector in which BSF Jawan Chandar Rai was killed. A mobile patrol party of BSF of Abdullah BOP was fired upon by militants from across the border with the intention to infiltrate into Indian territory in the morning.
वो हर समय हमारे ऊपर फर्स्ट फायर करते हैं, तो उसके बाद हमारे को फायर का फायर जवाब देना.
चोर है, चोरी करके छुपके से हमको अटैक कर देते हैं, एक स्नाइपर का फायर करके भाग जाते पीछे, फिर हम उसका जवाब ठीक ढंग से देते हैं उनको.
Found on this side of the IB, that is near our BOPs and near our villages. It was found in the area of Chiliari. These were also found in the area of Kathua area. That was in the month of July only, 27 July. Lot of firing had taken place. That time shelling was done.
More so, there is a threat of Pakistan control in Jammu and Kashmir. The undercurrent of hostility is plainly palpable. But the question staring the nation is, When will borderline peace become reality?